Okay, y'all, here's my very first order. It was for this exploding graduation cap gift card holder. The school colors were red, black, and white, and their cap and gowns were red. So I matched the outside of the gift box to their actual cap and gown colors. It turned out so good. I forgot to record the finished product, so the footage of the box being opened was actually sent to me from the proud mom who ordered this for her daughter. I went ahead and added the graphics of the school mascot for free, because it would have just been left bare on the extra arms of the box. She did request her daughter's name on it, which I added twice. However, she didn't end up paying me for it. I'm just going to assume she forgot. It was only an extra $2, which really isn't what got me. If she didn't just forget, it would bother me. Only because I did stay up all night making sure it was perfect. And I guess I just hoped she would appreciate it enough to at least pay me what we had talked about. Also, I know, how did I stay up all night working on this? Well, it was literally one thing after another. Like I did the mascot graphics upside down at first, and then I was trying to design her name in a way that it would pop, and I'm kind of new at making designs myself. So that took quite a bit of time to get perfect as well. A lot of it was my own fault. It was the extras and having to correct my mistakes that took so much time to get this done. Since I already had the actual box design, that makes sense. I was also 8.5 months pregnant, and I don't think my brain was working properly, so that may have been part of it too. Regardless, I did spend a lot of time working to get it perfect. And I don't know, like I said, it wasn't the $2 that would bother me. I just expected to at least get what we agreed on, especially since I was doing extra stuff for free. But whatever, I obviously got a little carried away, and that again is my own fault. I just hope her daughter loved it. And at the end of the day, it was all a learning experience for me. I did my first vinyl transfer, and it was on a tiny little name. So I do feel a lot more brave about doing vinyl transfers in the future. If I was able to transfer something so tiny and get JT right, doing something large should be much easier. But I guess I could be wrong about that. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this exploding graduation cap gift box. Unfortunately, they set my C-section for earlier than K-Bat expected, which messed me up on getting this video out in time for graduation. Either way, I am so glad to finally be sharing my first cardstock order for an assembled box with y'all. So now I've had one order for a kit and one for an assembled box. Now that I'm not pregnant and tired all the time and I'm starting to heal from having my baby, I'm praying the orders start rolling in. Which reminds me, definitely go check out some of my other videos on my page and let me know if you see anything you'd like to purchase. Again, just message me for the exact item link or follow my link in my bio. Once there, you can search my listings for whichever one you're wanting to order. Alright y'all, thanks so much for watching.